I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to disable the automatic downloading of message attachments in the Gmail app on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your Android device and then tap the menu icon on this screen. A menu opens. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Settings. A list of Gmail accounts associated with your Android device is shown. Step 3. Tap the specific Gmail account that you want to stop attachments from automatically being downloaded in. Step 4. Scroll down to the Data Usage section and then tap to remove the checkmark associated with download attachments. Going forward, attachments to messages will no longer be automatically downloaded in that Gmail account. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.